Welcome to my channel. This video part 5. You can check the channel for part 6. Don't forget to subscribe. Careful.
Careful.
Be careful when handling fragile items.
Careful.
Trouble.
Trouble.
He's been having trouble sleeping lately.
Trouble.
Embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
The embarrassing moment made her cheeks turn red.
Embarrassing.
All right.
All right.
Is it all right if I borrow your pen?
All right.
Used.
Used.
I used 2 cups of flour for the cake recipe.
Used.
Use.
Use.
How can we use this technology to improve our lives?
Use.
Finally.
Finally.
She chopped the vegetables finely for the soup.
Finally.
Senior.
Senior.
He's a senior employee with over 20 years of experience.
Senior.
Package.
Package.
The package arrived at my doorstep this morning.
Package.
Look after.
Look after.
She agreed to look after the neighbor's cat while they were away.
Look after.
Meter.
Meter.
The swimming pool is 25 meters long.
Meter.
Have on.
Have on.
I have on my favorite sweater today.
Have on.
Rank.
Rank.
He holds the rank of captain in the army.
Rank.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
You can go ahead and start without me. I'll catch up later.
Go ahead.
Side.
Side.
The cat curled up on the sunny side of the porch.
Side.
Thickness.
Thickness.
The thickness of the ice on the lake varies throughout the winter.
Thickness.
Sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir, for your assistance.
Sir.
Feeling.
Feeling.
She had a sinking feeling in the pit of her stomach.
Feeling.
Leather.
Leather.
The jacket is made of high-quality leather.
Leather.
Effort.
Effort.
His effort and dedication led to his success.
Effort.
Day.
Day.
The wedding day was a joyful and memorable occasion.
Day.
Specially.
Specially.
She baked a cake specially for the birthday party.
Specially.
Scent.
Scent.
The price of the product increased by 20 cents.
Scent.
Realistic.
Realistic.
Setting realistic goals is important for success.
Realistic.
Listen.
Listen.
It's important to actively listen to others during conversations.
Listen.
Status.
Status.
She has achieved a high status in her profession.
Status.
Pilot.
Pilot.
The experienced pilot safely landed the plane.
pilot,
curl.
curl,
She used a curling iron to create loose waves in her hair.
curl,
Urgent.
urgent,
The situation requires urgent attention and action.
urgent,
Famous.
famous,
The artist became famous for his unique style of painting.
famous,
Headache.
headache,
The loud noise gave me a splitting headache.
headache,
Sweater.
sweater,
She knitted a cozy sweater for the upcoming winter.
sweater,
Allowed.
allowed,
Please read the passage aloud to the class.
allowed,
Separate.
separate,
The fence was built to separate the two properties.
separate,
Nearby.
nearby,
There's a nice cafe located nearby.
nearby,
Accurate.
accurate,
The scientists' measurements were highly accurate.
accurate,
Send off.
send off,
The team gathered to send off their coach with cheers and applause.
send off,
Similar.
similar,
The two paintings are similar in style and composition.
similar,
Upward.
upward,
The company's profits have been steadily trending upward.
upward,
Craft.
craft,
She's skilled at the craft of woodworking.
craft,
End in.
end in,
The movie will end in a dramatic and unexpected twist.
end in,
Cloth.
cloth,
The cloth is made from a blend of natural fibers.
cloth,
Twist.
twist,
He gave the plot of the story a surprising twist.
twist,
Manager.
manager,
The manager oversees the daily operations of the store.
manager,
Load.
load,
The truck was loaded with crates of fresh produce.
load,
Should.
should,
You should wear a helmet when riding a bike.
should,
Smash.
smash,
The glass vase accidentally fell and smashed on the floor.
smash,
Employee.
employee,
The company hired several new employees this year.
employee,
Broadcast.
broadcast,
The news broadcast reported on the latest developments.
broadcast,
Animal.
animal,
The zoo is home to a wide variety of exotic animals.
animal,
Identify.
identify,
It's important to identify the root cause of the problem.
identify,
Assistant.
assistant,
She works as an assistant to the CEO.
assistant,
60th.
60th,
They celebrated their 60th wedding anniversary.
60th,
Environment.
environment,
Protecting the environment is crucial for future generations.
environment,
Rule out.
Rule out.
The doctor wanted to rule out any underlying medical conditions.
Rule out.
Massive.
Massive.
The earthquake caused massive destruction in the city.
Massive.
Possess.
Possess.
She doesn't possess the necessary skills for the job.
Possess.
Get off.
Get off.
Please make sure to get off at the next bus stop.
Get off.
Finish.
Finish.
I need to finish writing this report before the deadline.
Finish.
Well known.
Well known.
The actor is well known for his versatile performances.
Well known.
Illegal.
Illegal.
It's illegal to park in front of a fire hydrant.
Illegal.
Curl up.
Curl up.
She likes to curl up with a good book on rainy days.
Curl up.
May.
May.
May I borrow your pen for a moment?
May.
Grain.
Grain.
The bread is made with whole grain flour.
Grain.
Stiff.
Stiff.
The new shoes felt stiff and uncomfortable.
Stiff.
Brain.
Brain.
The brain is a complex organ responsible for various functions.
Brain.
Needle.
Needle.
She used a needle and thread to mend the torn fabric.
Needle.
Car.
Car.
He drives a blue car to work every day.
Car.
Garbage.
Garbage.
Don't forget to take out the garbage before it starts to smell.
Garbage.
Murder.
Murder.
The detective was determined to solve the murder case.
Murder.
Privately.
Privately.
They had a private conversation in the corner of the room.
Privately.
Culture.
Culture.
The city is known for its rich cultural heritage.
Culture.
Accidentally.
Accidentally.
He accidentally spilled coffee on his shirt.
Accidentally.
Best.
Best.
Her best friend was there to support her during the tough times.
Best.
Jewelry.
Jewelry.
She wore elegant jewelry for the formal event.
Jewelry.
Depressing.
Depressing.
The rainy weather can be quite depressing.
Depressing.
Beak.
Beak.
The bird's beak is adapted for cracking open nuts.
Beak.
Writing.
Writing.
Her writing style is known for its eloquence and clarity.
Writing.
Whisper.
Whisper.
She leaned over to whisper a secret in his ear.
Whisper.
Castle.
Castle.
The medieval castle stood proudly on the hilltop.
Castle.
Land.
Land.
The plane is about to land at the airport.
Land.
Kiss.
Kiss.
He leaned in to give her a gentle kiss on the cheek.
Kiss.
Mental.
Mental.
Mental health is an important aspect of overall well-being.
Mental.
Crop.
Crop.
The farmers harvested a bountiful crop of corn this year.
Crop.
Hand over.
Hand over.
Please hand over your tickets to the usher before entering.
Hand over.
Wrap.
Wrap.
Let's wrap the gift in colorful wrapping paper.
Wrap.
Recommend.
Recommend.
I highly recommend this book to anyone interested in history.
Recommend.
Accent.
Accent.
Her French accent added charm to her speech.
Accent.
Cut out.
Cut out.
I'm going to cut out this article to save for later.
Cut out.
Improvement.
Improvement.
The renovation project resulted in a significant improvement.
Improvement.
Select.
Select.
You can select your preferred seat when booking your flight.
Select.
Captain.
Captain.
The captain steered the ship through rough waters.
Captain.
Modern.
Modern.
The building features a sleek and modern design.
Modern.
Be left over.
Be left over.
There were some leftovers that were left over from yesterday's dinner.
Be left over.
Hold.
Hold.
Please hold the door open for me.
Hold.
Reduction.
Reduction.
The company announced a reduction in prices.
Reduction.
Habit.
Habit.
Her daily exercise routine became a healthy habit.
Habit.
Significant.
Significant.
The discovery had a significant impact on the scientific community.
Significant.
Ruined.
Ruined.
The heavy rainstorm ruined the outdoor picnic.
Ruined.
Grandmother.
Grandmother.
My grandmother always tells fascinating stories about her youth.
Grandmother.
Thanks for watching.